Dr. Vita. Good morning. About 5 days ago, I started having PMS. And I was having cramps, and it started off with me being moody, and my skin just wasn't looking good. Pain in my right ovary, like just PMS symptoms. And you know me, I say that you shouldn't have these PMS symptoms. So the fact that I was having them made sense because I had gone on vacation. I wasn't taking good care of my body. I was eating whatever. I gained weight last month. And so it makes sense that my cycle has PMS in it. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to fix it. So you're in luck because over the next month, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to fix this. And my next cycle will be PMS free. You're going to see a big change. I'm gonna lose about 6 to 10 pounds during this next month, during this process. Exactly what I teach other people to do. You're gonna see it right here. I say 6 to 10 because I'm going to New Orleans because I'm a bridesmaid in a wedding. So I might not lose as much. So the goal of this isn't to lose weight. The goal of it is to fix my PMS so my next period is symptom free. But in the process, you're gonna lose weight. You're gonna get rid of a lot of toxins and a little bit of water weight. It's not that much water weight, but mostly get rid of toxins and then just the stubborn fat I've been holding on to. So I want you to tune in to my stories. I'm gonna show you exactly how I do this and how I show other people to do it. Okay, so first things first, I woke up this morning. I didn't really sleep much last night, which is another thing we need to fix. I did a guided meditation that syncs with my cycle. So I started my period today. So it's a guided meditation that's guiding me through my hypothalamus and my pituitary, and I'm envisioning the hormones being aligned and released and perfected. And then it calmed me down, it cleared my mind. DM me if you want the link to the company where I bought. Well, I didn't buy. They actually gave me like all of them. But I can send you a link to the company. And then I did some tongue scraping, brushed my teeth, and then now I'm gonna go and prepare my first drink. And then after that, you will see my breakfast and you'll learn a whole lot about this process. Okay, so let's go downstairs. Okay, so I'm going to make that, these are herbs. This is blackberry leaf that's infused. So I'm gonna make that morning drink that's gonna flush me. But now I first need to soak some of these chia seeds. So I put 5 tablespoons in here with 1 cup of almond milk. So this needs to sit for a while. So that's gonna sit while I'm making my morning flush drink, okay? So I just added about 5 other ingredients to the blackberry infused tea, and I'm going to drink this concoction every single day for the next 3 to 4 weeks. And I always have to know, make sure that you use local, raw, unfiltered honey from where you live. So I live in Texas. This is raw and unfiltered. So this is just the last ingredient that I put in here. Very, very important. Amongst other things, as you can guess from what I was doing here. So now I'm making what I call Remy Cocoa. It's coconut milk with some herbal powders in it. And then I'm also gonna pull out that chia seed and add some flavorings on it. All right, here we go. This is the chia pudding underneath. It's got some cinnamon on it, some currants, some oranges, and then honey, that raw unfiltered honey. So you see how I'm stacking the raw unfiltered honey in the morning? And then over here we have my Remy Cocoa. But first, I'm gonna take a Spore Probiotic. Okay, this is the Spore Probiotic. It's important to take, I'm just taking 1 a day this week, then I'm increasing. Next week will be more. So the focus here is on gut health. So I will be in the bathroom like within the next 30 minutes. So I just took a nap, just woke up from a nap, and so did this little guy. We had a good sleep, huh? So I never take naps, but today is Memorial Day and my body's going through a lot. So I took the chance to rest. And then now I'm just gonna make a quick salad. Since it's 2 o'clock, I don't want to be overstuffed for dinner, so I'm just gonna make a salad. So next up, I am going to eat my lunchtime salad. Now this has a good proportion of raw foods to cooked foods, but most people eat salads, and especially women that have issues with their cycle, but their body cannot digest those raw foods. So throughout this process, to help correct my menstrual issues, I'm also going to be consuming a digestive enzyme before I consume some of these raw foods. So in here I have the organic spring salad mix. I've got apples, carrots that I've lightly cooked. Then I've got lentils, tomatoes that are raw, and then avocado, salmon. So the digestive enzyme is very, very critical for me today. And now it is time for exercise. So I had my pre-exercise bar, and now I'm about to get it in. Rebounding is perfect, just because of all the wonderful effects of it, and it really draining your lymphatic system. During this process, it actually is one of the best forms of exercise. So I'm gonna exercise, and then I'll be back at. While I'm cooking dinner, I usually drink about a cup of 2 scoops of Fibroids. Fibroids is the jam. If you look on here, it's got soluble fiber, soluble and insoluble fiber, prebiotic fibers, probiotics. Remember, this is like mega gut health that I'm focusing on the first week. Probiotics, aloe vera, burdock root, ginger root, and some other awesome and amazing ingredients. And so you can see I do not have the ones with sugar in them, and my son wants to climb up here. So I'm preparing my own dinner and my family's dinner as well. So it's a nice little drink. Hey, thanks for sticking with me today and seeing how I start off my process of restoring my menstrual cycle. So the last thing before I go to sleep is a magnesium drink, and I'll have maybe about a quarter to half a cup of some stinging nettle infusion before I go to sleep. I'm just here chilling with my husband, and so you got to see day 1 of this process this month. Then I'm good to go, and when I'm ready to try to have a baby, I'll get pregnant quickly just because I've set a foundation. All right, good night. I'm going to sleep now. So I want to know, do you want to continue to see the other days, or do you want me to do once a week? DM me if you have any questions.